Jeannie, and this is Unfiltered 50s. And if you have never been here before, then welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that you finally found us. And if you have been here before, welcome back. And in today's video, what are we going to be doing? Well, I wanted to show you, I got a mystery box from JUVIA'S place. I wanted to show you what was in it. So if that sounds interesting to you, then just keep on watching. We're going to be getting into it right now. So guys, if you...
What do you want them to do? What do you want them to do, Judy?
I want them to subscribe.
Hey, you should,
So guys,
please, mister, please subscribe to me.
So guys, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I'd love it if you take the opportunity before the video is over to go ahead and click the big red subscribe button down below. And go ahead while you're there and click on the notifications to all. And in today's video, let's take a look at this box. Yes, I've already opened it. Of course I have. I can't wait and see what's in the Black Friday mystery box that I picked up from JUVIA'S place. So in this box, this was, you know what I like? I like about JUVIA'S place the fact that they give you this receipt, and so it's got the price on here. It was $35 for this mystery box, and I love that because a lot of times you get the shipping and it doesn't have the price, and then, you know, I can't remember how much I paid for something. So this was the 2020 Black Friday mystery bag is what they're calling it, and it was $35. So when I got it, I was really surprised because actually I liked the contents in this very, very much. JUVIA'S place seems to always have really good mystery bags. It looks like just a peek like Anne does. And so the first thing that's in it is one of the really, really nice little 6-pan palettes. And this is the Taupes by JUVIA'S place. It is really, really pretty. And so I've already kind of put this one away as a gift because I already have this. But I'm going to show you the one that I already have. And I have used this one quite a bit. But it looks like this. This is so pretty. It sort of reminds you a little bit of the That's Taupe. It's so buttery. This one is absolutely gorgeous. It's really one of my favorites out of these little 6 pans by her. Just gorgeous palette. So if you were to get this palette, I don't think you would be disappointed at all. It's just a really nice neutral palette. And I've used mine quite a bit and I love this one. So I've already set that one aside as a gift. This is called the Heroine Loose Highlighter. The box looks like this. And I was so excited because one, I don't have any loose highlighters by JUVIA'S place, and it's just beautiful. So it's a really light shade. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So I'm really excited to have that. It came with the Magic Mini. So this palette looks like this. So a very pretty palette. So I'm really happy to have this one. And then there's 2 more items in the box. It came with a beautiful red from the Reds lipstick called Rouge. And the packaging is so pretty on this because it goes into a red top and the color looks like just a deep berry red. So pretty. I really like this color. And I love the JUVIA'S place lipsticks. So it came with that. And then it also came with one of the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balms that looks like this in the shade Passion Fruit. And it's the light pink color. And so when you use this one, it's just a very, very light pink glow. So it just looks like this. And I was so happy to get one of these because I also picked up the 2 new 6-pan palettes, the Nubian Glow and the Nubian Glow and the Nubian Royal. And I got both of these on the website together for just $12. They were offering a deal where if you bought the 2, you could pick up both of them for $12. But it didn't come with any of the little lip shines. So I didn't have any of these, and I really wanted to try one of these. So I was able to get this in the mystery box. So I was so happy to pick this up. So I thought that the mystery box was a win-win. I ended up getting a palette that I didn't already have, the 2 lippies, which was great, a taupes palette that I could gift, and yeah, I think that, oh, and the highlighter that I just absolutely love in a shade that I'll wear. So it was absolutely wonderful because all of the products I will use. So that was a highlighter, a beautiful red lippy, a lip gloss, the taupes palette, and the Magic Mini, all for my $35. So I thought that was really, really worth it. Let me know what you think about the 2020 Black Friday mystery bag. Did you pick it up? Do you think it was worth it? What are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you and whether or not you picked it up. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel yet, but you would like to, it's the big red subscribe button down below. Just go ahead and click on there, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you don't miss a thing. I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. And remember that the word of the day for today's giveaway will be glow. So if you'd like to be entered for one of the Unfiltered Gusmas Christmas boxes, then in a sentence down in the comments somewhere below, just put in the word glow and you will be entered via the random comment picker for the drawing. So somewhere put in the sentence format the word glow. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Happy holidays, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.